In this video, I'll show you how to fix the spell check feature in Microsoft Teams when it's not working properly. This quick solution will help you avoid typing mistakes and keep your messages professional. Let's get started. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams. Once the application loads, you will see the main Teams interface. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your account. This ensures that any changes you make are applied to your profile. Enter your login details if prompted and continue to your Microsoft Teams workspace. After signing in, you will arrive at the home screen. Here, you can view your recent chats, meetings, and channels. Take a moment to make sure everything has loaded correctly. Next, go to the top of the window and click on your profile picture. This opens a menu with different account options. In this menu, look for the three-dot icon, which represents More Settings. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can control how Microsoft Teams works for you. In the Settings window, click on the General tab. This section contains the main options that affect your overall experience in Teams. Scroll through the general settings until you find the Editor Spell Check option. This setting controls whether spelling is checked in chats, messages, and other text areas. Click on the Editor Spell Check option to open more controls. Next, click on Manage. This allows you to customize how spell check behaves in Microsoft Teams. Make sure the feature is turned on and configured correctly so spelling errors are detected while you type. By following these steps, you ensure that spell check is properly enabled and working as it should. This will help improve your writing and prevent errors in your messages and conversations. That's it. You've successfully fixed the spell check issue in Microsoft Teams. You can now type with confidence, knowing mistakes will be caught automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.